We recently updated our crash test ratings for 3 minivans, the Chrysler Pacifica, the Honda Odyssey, and the Toyota Sienna. Small overlap front crash protection on the passenger side is rated good for the Odyssey, acceptable for the Pacifica, and marginal for the Sienna. Small overlap front crash test involves only crushing a small portion of the front end of the vehicle. Might occur when one vehicle crosses over the center line and crashes into an oncoming vehicle, or runs off the road and crashes into something at the side of the road. The Toyota Sienna is the worst of the bunch for small overlap front crash protection on the passenger side. The safety cage collapsed. We also measured possibly injurious forces on the dummy's right thigh and right leg. It's rated marginal overall for protecting right front passengers in this kind of a crash. The Chrysler Pacifica and Honda Odyssey are 2018 IIHS top safety picks. In addition to qualifying crash test ratings, they're both available with superior rated front crash prevention systems and acceptable headlights. Good rated headlights would have earned them the Top Safety Pick Plus award. Minivans are often used to transport children, so we're calling attention to our LATCH ease of use ratings. LATCH is intended to make it easier for parents to install child restraints. Unfortunately, our ratings show that many of the systems aren't up to that task. The Honda Odyssey is rated Good Plus for ease of use of the latch anchors, because the lower anchors in the second row are easy to access, the top tether anchor is easy to find, and the third row has 2 seat positions that have latch anchors that earn an acceptable ease of use rating. If you're in the market for a new minivan, I recommend you choose an IIHS top safety pick. Both the Chrysler Pacifica and Honda Odyssey earned the 2018 IIHS Top Safety Pick Award.